My name is Letizia Gambi, and I'm a romantic. I can't get you out of my heart. I was born in Naples, southern Italy, so I'm a romantic South Mediterranean soul. Αποκοντριά scoppia ogni minuto pieta. I wanted to transfer in my music some of my culture to make it sing in other languages and countries. This is the reason why I translated some songs in English. This never-ending alleyway, so dark, so sad and lonely, the sun forgets to shine. I met Lenny White at the Blue Note in Milano in 2009. He was in tour with Corea and Stanley Clark, and I just asked him an opinion on an idea that I had.
The teacher asked my opinion about an idea that she had about taking Neapolitan music and doing it in a style that would work today. And so she sent me a version of an old Neapolitan song called Carmela, which she changed to music and she rewrote lyrics in English, and she called it My Town. And I was pretty intrigued by what I heard, and so I worked on it, and she liked what I had done, and so then it started. My town. I didn't imagine that he could really be interested in working with me, and so from that day my life changed. I'm a pack of cinders burning under your feet. You're the one who walks me. I'm your one way. In 1 year, I went to New York for the first time in my life, and 4 times. 6-7 months, and I met people that I could just study on books. So I met Ron Carter, Patrice Rushen, Gato Barbieri, Wallace Roney, Goldstein, Corea. I mean, they played on my record, and you know, it's my first record. And it's something that when you dream, you don't have the courage to dream so big. Even with people around. My music is the combination of my life, my past, my heritage, my culture, and Lenny White's heritage, his life, his experience as a great producer and incomparable musician. My roots, my heritage is jazz music. Her roots and her heritage is Neapolitan music, so we kind of fused the two together, and we got a music that is 20th, 21st century hybrid of jazz and Neapolitan music. We just call it 21st century music. When he told me that he was interested in working with me, I stopped doing everything because I wanted to study, I wanted to improve, I wanted to write, and I was searching a way to make it happen. Even because we just started with my idea, just that.
And we started from zero, we had nothing. So it wasn't a situation where it was just her singing. She's a great singer. But the fact that she really actively went out and willed the project to happen, I got inspired. And it was just amazing to watch her. She is really a dynamo and the best student that I've ever had.
Now tell me something more about you. Why, when you stare into my eyes, if also you would die for me, you say nothing.
The greatest thing that happened during this year was how I changed as person and as musician because of what Lenny gave me as teacher, professor, mentor. He's like a father figure for me too, and I learned things that I've never studied in any school, and it's priceless.
In doing this project, I found out that Letizia is actually a great artist, and I mean it in a lot of different ways. She paints, she's an excellent lyricist, excellent to the point where she had given me some music to listen to, just for her to give me an idea of the shape of the project. And so like I started to try to write some music like that, and I had never written any music like this before. And so I submitted it to her, and she came back with lyrics for me. Amazing.
No need to hide. Put your hand in my hand and feel what's in my eyes. You now understand.
Neapolitan classical repertoire was always in my life because my uncle is a professional opera singer and my mother, she was going to become a singer too. So I grew up listening to her singing every day.
The pencil, the
I started as dancer, but I graduated as textile designer because I always liked to paint. Then I went to an acting school and I started working as actress too. Until that time, I always studied singing as dancer, but when I started to listening to jazz, I definitely fell into the jazz abyss. So, it is jazz. It has the passion of Neapolitan music, the melody of Italian music, but to find a word to describe it is up to you, is up to the listener. I just can say that is authentic.
Restiamo soli.